Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today we are comparing two popular models, the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam and the Miden X5. Both cameras offer unique features tailored for different needs, so let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. The ROVE R2-4K offers stunning 4K resolution for the front camera, ensuring crystal clear footage during your drives. In contrast, the Miden X5 also features 4K for the front, but adds an interior camera, providing a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings. This makes the Miden X5 a great choice for those wanting to capture both the road and the interior. When it comes to storage, the ROVE R2-4K comes with a generous 128GB micro SD card, allowing for extended recording times without the need for frequent changes. On the other hand, the Miden X5 includes a 64GB card, which is sufficient but may require more frequent management of recorded footage, especially if you plan to use its 3-channel recording feature. Price is always a crucial factor. The ROVE R2-4K is priced at $199, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. In contrast, the Miden X5 offers a budget-friendly option at just $64, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save while still getting solid performance. However, potential buyers should consider what features are most important to them when making their decision. In conclusion, the ROVE R2-4K is ideal for those prioritizing high-resolution video and advanced features, while the Miden X5 provides excellent value with its 3-channel recording at a lower price point. Whichever you choose, both dashcams offer great features to enhance your driving experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.